and Nagaland University as the lead coordinator, I extend a heartfelt welcome to you all to today's conference on the implementation of the National Education Policy 2020 organized by University Transformation. The government of Assam under the leadership of Mahamahim Rajgopal Gulabchandra Kataria, Chief Minister Ananya Sharma and Education Minister Ananya Raghunath Reddy is committed to the successful implementation of NEP 2020. Assam has strictly promoted NEP 2020 across all educational schools to various countries and initiatives. As a multilingual state, Assam implements education in multiple mother tongues up to class 5, aligning with NEP 2020 on multilingual. These places Assam in a significant position in the implementation of NEP 2020. The Department of Education Assam and the Synthetic Education and Research Foundation organized Northeast Education Conference on November 20th and 21st, 2021 in Guwahati. 1,000 delegates attended that event. The event was praised by school leaders, including the Honorable Minister of Education, Dharmendra Pradhan, Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, Education Minister Dr. Raghunath Reddy, former Chairman of UGC, Professor G. former Chairman of AICTE, Professor Anil Sahasrabudhe, and others. Following the Sankatir Education and Research Foundation established University in 2022. I had the honor of assuming the role of Honorary Vice Chancellor at the University. The university aims to create broaden knowledge bases for the holistic development of humanity. This non-profit people-centered university is committed to implementing NEP embodying the principles of Jnana, Pradya, and Prakti. We have already implemented the 4-year undergraduate program and 5-year integrated post-graduate program as per the curriculum and credit framework for undergraduate and post-graduate program and the national credit framework. We offer compulsory 12 credit Indian knowledge system courses for all the students. In addition, topics like Constitution, Tribuna, Arthashastra, Vedic Mathematics, etc. in specific courses like psychology, sociology, commerce, computer science, etc. Plus, the ancient capital of Amrut and the land of America was the center of learning. It is the ancient name of the world. It holds significant historical context, especially with today's focus on Muhammad Bashir destroyed our ancient universities like Nalanda, Udanpuri, Vikramshila, and instituted towards Amrut. In 2006, Maharaj Vishnu, the king of Amrut, a patron of knowledge and education, administrated the university led by Bashir consisting of 12,000 adults and 20,000 intelligents. Here, at a place called Srinakshi, approximately 50 kilometers away from this. The old here is only 100 kilometers, escaped the sword of Maharaj Vishnu and his devotee in circumstances or was killed by Allah. Thus, the educational element of EMC. As our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi stated during the inauguration of Nalanda University on June 19, 2024, the flames of fire and born today we gather at a university to reignite the flame of Bharatiya Jnana Parampara through the implementation of NEP 2020. The implementation of NEP 2020 is driving by an institution not just empire. For true transformation, a mindset imbued with Bharatiya is essential. Let us try a Jnana in every educational institution.
धर्माली आधुनिक দেব